Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Abigail Amara. Today I'm going to be showing you my everyday makeup routine for everyone, but especially dark skins. I don't really show people makeup routines that often because my makeup can be quite a little bit ghetto. Like there's some elements of it that's different. Let's just say different. I'm just going to put my hair up. So like a little clip hairstyle. I hate putting my hair in a ponytail because it makes my face look bad. The first thing that I do not do my eyebrows first. I used to do that, but now I do foundation first. And I use Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Long Wear Foundation in the colour 440. And it looks really light for my skin. I know, very light. I'd use Zamira brushes, brush collection. I just found it. No, I think my mum found these brushes and she thought they were quite good. They had good reviews, so she got it and she let me try it. It's really soft, really, especially this brush. And then I use all the other brushes from the collection too. So we just wanna 2 pumps, 3 maybe. I don't like to use a lot of foundation actually, and I don't like to put a lot on my forehead at all. I start blending it here, and then the residue I just put up there just to cover like my dark spots, but I don't mainly put it here. So let's blend. I know, that looks scary. Don't worry.
This is not how
The makeup looks in the end. Just put it on your neck as well, because I sometimes forget my neck and my eyelids, and they're actually quite important places. The good thing about Fenty Beauty foundation is it oxidizes, and when it oxidizes it gets darker, so one doesn't need to worry if they're looking a bit too light as soon as they apply it. I think blending is like one of the second most important, probably like the first most important thing to make your makeup look good. Because what's the point in having expensive makeup, time, dedication, if there's no good blending skills? Okay, so this step is a bit different. I should have put this on before I started, but I didn't. This is Rimmel Insta Fix Go. It is a setting spray and a primer 2-in-1. After I do my foundation, I like to go over with primer / setting spray. But like, because foundation is foundation, it has to lock it in well. So to lock it in well, I just spray it with this. Now I'm going to move on to concealer. I use the Fenty Beauty concealer. It is the Pro Filter Instant Retouch Concealer. I use it in the shade 390, and it just looks like this. Those parts were just the dark spots that I really wanted to, get rid of. I don't see concealers that necessary on the nose anymore. I blend it out with this really, really small beauty blender from Real Techniques. I like it to be quite precise. And I like to just go over my eyelids as well. It may get tedious, however, it wields results. Say if I use the bigger brush or a bigger beauty blender, I fear that it would come down here. And I don't want it to come down here, because that's not where concealer is actually supposed to be. Concealer is to bring out your eyes, so it must be directly underneath your eyes. Well, in my theory, at least. And then I just like to go in with the same beauty blender, no new product, just on the sides of my nose here, by the crease bits, because it creases. I just go in with the bigger beauty blender to just buff it all out, kind of. I don't even know what this is for. I should probably check what this is for. It's just a bigger beauty blender that I find would just blend it just a tiny bit better than it is blended right now. Now that's done, I go in with a different beauty blender, just the same size that I used for my concealer, but just a different one, with a Sacha buttercup banana powder. I've used this for years, like since I've started doing makeup. When I started doing makeup, I started with Revolution powder. That just, don't know what that was. I've been on this ever since. I just go underneath here. I don't bake at all. I just set the powder where I just put my concealer. Now you can see it's like really bright underneath my eyes, which is good, which is what we want. And then I go in on my chin and under my nose. I always look my scariest because I haven't done any contour, any real blending. I get my Real Techniques Face Expert brush, and then I kind of just buff all the powder that I just did out, because there's only so much a small beauty blender can do. Now that I've locked everything in, I go ahead with my setting spray again. Am I doing this? I don't think so. Next, I go in with my sleek, I use sleek eyeshadow, the dark one. I've actually heard of a lot of dark skins using eyeshadow as contour soon. And I use my Zamira brush, angled brush, and I just go ahead. You don't need to use much because eyeshadow actually blends a lot and the pigment is so much stronger than bronzer. So you don't need to do too much or take too much product, you know? So I go down here, I go up here. Down here only slightly, but definitely focus on making that sort of put it at the top. I'm literally breaking the eyeshadow. It is so hot. Very bad idea to start sweating during your makeup. It's just the worst. Don't worry, that's what powder's there for. So we're just gonna do my nose. So I just get this Real Techniques brush. I love Real Techniques. I think their brushes are good. Medium shadow brush. Yeah. Obviously we don't use it for eyeshadow. You see, I would contour better if I knew how to. Trust me, I would. So now we've done that, I'm going to use the Rimmel London Exaggerate eyeliner. It's the liquid eyeliner in black. Why is my hand shaking? I don't do it too big. today marks the first time I actually did remotely decent on this side as well, because I have like a skin tag right there where the eyeliner needs to go, so I'm always like fiddling with it, trying to get around it, or like paint over it. But you know what, I like to switch it up a lot of the time, like my eyelash style in particular. I get my duet glue, and these lashes, let me show you one of them. They're from Amazon. 10 pairs. It cost me like what, £8. And then I get my eyelash curler and I reverse curl my eyelashes. As you can see, they're really curly. I have to get it out of the way. They usually don't go right the first time, so don't expect too much. I just press it together because it usually gets a bit far away. I get into a bit of a perfectionist. Good enough. So after doing my eyelashes, I move on to my eyebrows. I have this brow styling soap that I got from Amazon. Don't know who's it by, but it looks like this. I'll check and I'll put the link in the description. It's just filled with like excess makeup, sorry, but it's like this hard soap. And I just get my spoolie and I just wet my spoolie, and then I just, once the spoolie's wet, I just rub it in the soap. I use it to just groom my eyebrows upwards. I then get this brow precise brow pencil from Maybelline, and I get the pencil part, just spray it. Stuff like this hardly lasts, so I only use it when it's something important. And I just fill in all the gaps. Even at the front too. Then just do the same on the other side. You can see the eyebrow soap has left a bit of like whiteness. I just get my mascara. And I think this is from, it's just Technic. It's some cheap mascara, I forgot where it's from. I think it's Primark. You don't need expensive mascara, you just need literally anything dark. And I put it here because my eyebrows were a bit too light because it left residue. I conceal with LA Pro Girl in the colour Beautiful Bronze, slanted angled brush, really small. I don't know where I got this from. I used to use a lighter concealer underneath, but now I only do that when I'm going for like a full face beat. And even that I hardly use the light concealer. Usually when people brush their eyebrows upwards, they don't conceal the top, but I still do. I just blend this with my fingers. Yep. It's good, isn't it? I just get the brush, the expert face brush, and I just blend just on top of it and underneath after using my fingers. This is just for extra blending. Okay, so when all the major components are done, this is probably one of my favorite and most important bits. We're gonna go ahead and fix this under my eyes. Take my translucent powder and I take my Zamira brush. This is just like a soft brush, and I just dab it. I apply it right under my eye. This really illuminates my eyes. I also apply it here in the crack and back on my eye, and going in an upwards motion. I do the same on this side. Also back here. And then I just go and do it on my chin and here. And then just a bit on my forehead, because my forehead can get quite shiny. I have this MAC blush and this brush. I don't know where I got it from. It ended up with me, probably a hand down from my mom. Swirl and tap. I have to smile so I can see where my cheekbones are. And then I do it coming from above here down to kind of the center. And then I get this brush. Again, I don't know where this set was from. I get my Revolution blush palette, and it's got this really nice kind of gold color inside. Let me show you. This color, this one, this color here. Okay, I apply this on like the tip of my nose, and I apply it horizontally so my nose looks buttoned. And then I apply it on here. I don't know what these places are called. And then I apply it underneath my eyebrows, just underneath the arch, and then to the roof of my mouth. Sometimes I put it on my cheekbones, but other times I don't. I'm not really for that highlight on cheekbones thing. It doesn't really suit me. But when I do it, I smile, and then I don't wipe. I do it this way, like flutter it on, so it doesn't have a definitive line. I don't like it when it has a definitive line. I don't know if you can see my highlight. Should I turn this down so you can see it? Then I get my collection brow kit, and I get the dark color, and then I just line my lips with it. I used to actually use lip liner, but then when I ran out, I was like, okay, I'm not getting more. Just over the roof of my mouth. I don't even have to do the bottom, because when you look at it, and then go, it transfers. Smart hack. And then I go in with my highlight kind of brush. Sometimes if you want your lips to look a bit more red, I just dab a bit of my blusher onto my finger, and then I take the Maybelline highlighter. Basically, I have this kind of like blackhead sort of thing that I find quite cute, so I want to accentuate it. And I put just a speck of eyeliner, and then I just go like that. And that makes it look like a cute mole. I'm going to do that again here. Sometimes I do a little bottom lash. So guys, I'm officially done with my makeup. I know this is just a makeup video, but I'm just going to quickly straighten my hair so you can see everything all in its prime. So guys, I finished my makeup, and this is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you could like and subscribe below, I would really appreciate that. If you have any more recommendations for me to do, I would love to do them. More content coming soon. I feel like I can't move. My hair's in one place.